Welcome. This is a microsurvey FieldGenius for Android how-to video on utilizing the line offset option when we're doing line intersection. In a previous video, I've showed how to calculate a line intersection using the COGO functionality within FieldGenius. What I'm going to do now is turn on the line offset option to calculate a new intersection point. From point 6, I'm going to add an offset of 5 meters. As you can see, this shows plus 5 meters. So along the line, it is 5 meters to the right of the line. And from point 7, I'm going to add a intersection of minus 10 meters. And you can see how the construction lines are synchronized and dynamic. And this allows me, when I select Done, to calculate a new intersection point for these lines utilizing the line offset option. Thank you.